such a real hair.
I know, right? It looked like my real hair.
Okay, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing, and this hair is from Hairvivi, and this is the box that it comes in. Very lush, you know the drill. In this box we have a thank you card as well as a guide, and unboxing their package is usually a luxe experience because you do have a lot of cards, a lot of accessories, a lot of tools that kind of elevates this entire process. Now we're going to be trying this True-scalp tape from Hairvivi. This is the first time we're trying this out, so do keep on watching. Now in this bag we have accessories as well to help with the installation process. We have this edge brush that has a tail at the end, and this is what it looks like. Very luxe. We also have this pair of hair clips to help with the installation and styling as well as this extra elastic band just in case the first one wears out or you want to swap or switch things up a little bit. Now this is the hair that we're going to be unboxing, reviewing. This one is the Her Majesty Yaki human hair wig. Now this one has realistic newborn hairline. Can you guys see that right there? And guys, this absolutely matches with my skin. This is in the shade Cappuccino. The lace is in the shade Cappuccino, and this is what the construction looks like. You do have two clips on the side and one large clip at the back to help with installing and securing. You also have this elastic band here and another elastic band here as well. So let's move on to the hair. This is what the hairline looks like, guys. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, everything pre-ready for installation. Talking about installation, let's get right into putting this on our hair and seeing what this looks like. But this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be working with Hairvivi. This one is the Her Majesty Yaki human hair wig. It is a glueless hair wig. It is a lace front wig and also has realistic newborn hairline. I don't know if you guys can see the hairline. And we're going to be working with this hair. This hair has like a yaki texture, kind of similar to my own hair texture. So it will be kind of amazing to see what we can do with this. But yeah, I'm going to just go ahead to put this on so you guys can see. We're also going to be working with this. This is the True-scalp tape. This is the first time we're using this on this channel and off this channel. I want to see how this works. I have seen this online. I've seen a couple of creators use this to kind of make a realistic scalp on their wig. So we're going to be using that in this hair, but I'm going to go ahead to just put this on. Let me take off this tag. I always like to make sure that my hair is snug and secure. Something I like about Hairvivi hair is that you don't necessarily have to glue it down, even though it is like a frontal lace front wig. So here we can see the newborn realistic hairline. I don't know how to feel about this. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. I don't think I'm going to do a lot when it comes to like styling the hair. I kind of like how it's looking. It's pretty much been pre-styled. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. I wish this hair came pre-cut as well, so that way for anyone who doesn't know how to like cut their lace front wigs, you can just wear and go basically. But for this we do have to cut the lace front. But I do want you guys to appreciate the lace. Like, where is the lace? You can't even see the lace, and this lace color is in the shade Cappuccino. Also, the True-scalp is also in the shade Cappuccino, so it blends beautifully well with my actual skin tone. I feel like I don't even have to like do anything when it comes to like matching the lace to my skin because it is already matched. So this is what the hair looks like, and this is what the scalp looks like. To be honest with you, I feel like I can actually rock this hair like this without using this True-scalp, but we're going to be using this just to show you guys the difference. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to cut off this excess lace. I'm going to use the clips that is sent to just get the hair out of the way. Okay, so I just went ahead to cut off the excess lace from this wig, and this is what it is looking like. So if you're someone who doesn't like installing or you don't know how to install, you can pretty much just put this wig on after cutting off the lace and be out the door. You don't have to do a lot of styling, a lot of, you know, installing, because it is pretty much ready to go and it is snug on the head. It is not moving anywhere. It is pretty secure. So this is one way you can do it. However, we're going to be using this True-scalp to see what it's going to look like and how this is going to blend with my skin. We're also going to be melting down the lace that way we can get the best out of this install. But yeah, this is what we get just without doing too much, just cutting off the lace, to be honest with you. Look at it. No styling whatsoever.
Okay, so this is the True-scalp tape from Hairvivi, and this is the box that it came in. Now, behind the box, you have a set of directions on how to install this. Also, inside the box, you do have an instruction guide on how to install this as well. Now, these are the True-scalp tapes. This is what it looks like, and these were sent in the shade Cappuccino. Now, this is what it looks like. It is pretty much straight to the point. I like the feel. I like the, you know, ease of use. And you just have to peel off the adhesive back right here and then stick it on to your wig and you're good to go, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I install this.
I'm going to be using the True-scalp. I'm going to be dividing this into two because, again, I'm just going to be using this for the center part. And you can use this for all your wigs if you don't want to go and bleach or like customize the lace or whatsoever. So let me take this out. I'm going to measure the part and see how long I want this tape to be. I'm just going to give it a natural curve. You want to put this 2 inches away from the hairline, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Let me just take this off. Like so, and I'm going to place this right 2 inches away from the hairline, and then we're going to just, I'm just going to press this down right so, and this is what it's looking like, right? This is what the scalp is looking like. Guys, if this is not giving realistic, then I don't know what it is. So I'm going to go ahead to just put this on so that we can see what we are working with. Okay, so this is what the scalp looks like right now. This is what the line looks like, guys. I don't know what else to say, but this is something.
So this is what it looks like without the tape and also what it looks like with the True-scalp tape.
But yeah, this is what it looks like. I mean, it says, the last step says to blend it with like a concealer or apply concealer at the edges of the tape that's somewhere around here. So that way it has like a seamless blend. But looking at it, I don't think I need to apply a concealer. I think I like the way it's looking right now. What do you guys think? I'm gonna just go ahead to melt down the lace. I'm gonna be using my Ebin spray. Go to school.
I was sleeping till like 2. What's this for?
It's to tie my hair.
Whoa, Auntie, you look like you're wearing a wig.
I am wearing a wig. Oh, are you shocked?
I thought that
I know, right? It looked like my real hair.
Surprised.
Yeah, me too. Cause it blends so well with my hair, right? Get it? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? It looks like my hair. How secret is that?
Did you lie to your viewers?
Hmm?
Do you lie to them?
Do I lie to my viewers? No, why would I do that? We don't even lie in general.
You said it.
You said what?
You said this like real hair.
I said it's my real hair? Yeah. I told you it's a wig. Right? I told you it was a wig, right?
Did you lie to your viewers?
Am I lying to my viewers? They know it's a wig. You were the one that thought it was my real hair.
Good.
Yeah, we don't lie over here.
Now they know it's a wig. I'm not gonna be showing in the video though.
No.
I'm just gonna be talking to you.
Okay.
I want to be invisible.
Invisible?
Fly and no one can see me.
Why? So everyone will be looking for you? So how am I gonna give you a big hug if I can't see you?
I would say I'm coming, gonna hug you, and you would say.
But you can't hug me because I can't see you and we can't touch. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. Let me just take off this hairband. Oh, wow. But this is the melt. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, shout out to Hairvivi for sending this unit and for sponsoring this video. Again, this is a finished and final look. It is lightweight, but then it has a lot of texture and volume that kind of looks really natural. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying. Absolutely love what I'm looking like or what the hair is looking like on me. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye.